Hello and welcome to our video on digital evolution. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most exciting and innovative technologies that are shaping the future. We asked the AI to describe artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things in 2 words, and it came with digital evolution. And we can't agree more. First, let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has been a hot topic for years, but it's only recently that we've started to see its full potential. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is changing the way we interact with technology and making our lives easier. Next up, we have virtual reality, or VR. VR has come a long way in recent years, and it's now possible to experience immersive and realistic environments from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're exploring a new city or playing a video game, VR is a technology that's here to stay. Another exciting technology is augmented reality, or AR. AR is all about adding digital elements to the real world. From Snapchat filters to Pokemon Go, augmented reality is changing the way we experience the world around us. Moving on, we have blockchain. Blockchain is a technology that's often associated with cryptocurrencies, but its potential goes far beyond that. With its ability to create secure and transparent systems, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize industries such as finance, healthcare, and more. Finally, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT is all about connecting everyday objects to the internet, allowing them to communicate with each other and with us. From smart homes to wearable technology, IoT is changing the way we live our lives. That's it for our video on digital evolution. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Inshallah.